Hi, I'm Conor-Jack. I'm one of the technical specialists here at Staffordshire University. I'm here to show you the new mocap stage. Come over. So here we've upgraded from 8 cameras to 24 mocap cameras. Originally we used 8 Vicon cameras and we've only just recently updated to 24. We use the latest up-to-date software, so data is much more precise and much more cleaner for students and outsiders to use. So now that we've upgraded to Vantage and Vero cameras, this means that our data that has been captured on the mocap system is much more accurate. For example, if a student is lying on the floor, originally that wouldn't have been able to pick up, but now with the data and how it calculates it all, we can pick it up, resulting in much more accurate data. Here at Staffordshire, we have the biggest stage in European academia, and we have people from in-sources and out-sources that come here to use the stage. Not only is the mocap room used by game students, but VFX students, film students, media students, as well as drama students, and as well as that, we have art students who come here to do their own personal projects. We also use state-of-the-art reference cameras. This is a Blackmagic design camera, and this means we can actually pick up reference footage in HD quality without any distortion. We currently use state-of-the-art software. We are using Vicon's Shogun. We have 2 computers here in the mocap room. This computer here is the computer that runs Shogun and is able to process all the mocap data. The other computer on the other side runs Motion Builder and Unreal Engine. Unreal Engine allows us to use this room in VR as well, so if a student or a prospective student was using a project and they needed to use VR, they could simply come over here into the room and use it. Not only have we upgraded our stage, but we've also upgraded our suits. Now we have references on the suits, so students can also easily tell where they need to put their motion capture balls, which is seen on here, and they can tell what university they're from. Isaac here is a 3rd year student and he's volunteered to talk about how the suit works.
Yeah, so the suit works via these little dots. They're all reflective, so all the cameras actually get picked up by infrared. So as I'm wearing this with it being that tight, it can follow all the dots and all the motion of my body. So once I've done recording, that's all picked up by the cameras, and then that is live fed as well to our different PCs.
So we also have motion capture for facial software. Here is Kara. Kara is used for facial software for students that need to use it for facial recognition and stuff like that. In reference to film students, we also use these cameras. These cameras have got specifically designed motion capture balls on them. So if a student wanted to film a film that's in mocap, they could use this camera, and this camera will follow and it picks up on the software. So students can have a much more in-depth and in-field view of the film. So if you are interested in coming and having a look at our motion capture stage, come over for an open day.